English grammar for students.
Hi children, good morning. Today we will learn what is sentences. When we speak or write, we use words. We use these words in groups. When a group of words makes complete sense, we call it a sentence. As little Jack Horner sat in a corner. The girl is reading. Look at my kite. Why are you standing here? These are the sentences because it has complete sense. Now, a sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. Sometimes a group of words may make some sense but not complete sense. Such a group of words is called a phrase. A phrase can be long or short, but it does not contain a subject completing an action. As a red fox in the town, a piece of cake. Now we will go through the exercise. Which of the following group of words are sentences and which are phrases? My friend Rama, it is a phrase. The wind is cold, it is sentence. Barking dogs, it is phrases. She is a good girl, it is a sentence. Behind the door, it is phrase. Birds fly, it is sentence. We learned earlier a group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. Let us read some more examples. My umbrella, from my house, school, a playground, my house. These are not sentences because it does not give complete sense. Now we will go through another sentences. This is my umbrella. My school is far from my house. My school has a playground. These are sentences because it has complete. For our more clearance, we will go through more examples. Suhana is my best friend. It is a sentence. The phone is ringing. It is also a sentence. Is not Jyoti neighbor mine? It is not a sentence because it does not give complete sense. Singing birds, it is not a sentence. What is your name? It is a sentence. Happy I am very. It is not a sentence. In the market, it is also not a sentence. Birds are singing. It is a sentence. Calling is Mother Rohan. It is not a sentence. The door is open. It is a sentence.